Because they use, you know, they each other. Because they use, you know, they make the angry faces and stuff like that. That's the communication.
Probably only have a few expressions, but whatever.
It'd be like if you language to you and went like that, you'd know.
You must have like a memory span of like 3 seconds because it's like I can't eat anything like.
No, they just can't believe that they can't eat it.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Well, one of like us, you know, when you lose something.
Don't fucking do that shit.
What?
That shit. Fuck it off.
Who do you think it was?